Alright fam, let me tell you about my new doorbell. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus has this crazy expanded view. I can see literally everything happening at my door. And yo, at night, it's mind-blowing. The color night vision is like night vision for humans. I can see who's dropping by even when it's dark outside. Now let's talk about package delivery. I get these must-have alerts whenever my packages arrive. It's like having a little security guard by my door. One thing I love? The quick-release battery pack. When it's low, I just pop it out and recharge it in a snap. Super chill and convenient, no stress. Setting it up was a breeze too. I just downloaded the Ring app and connected to Wi-Fi, then mounted it with the tools that came with it. You've got to check out the Ring Protect plan. With it, I can record and store my videos for 180 days. Plus, sharing my clips is just a tap away. And wait for it. Alexa integration. I can have some cool announcements set up at home. It even shows live video on my Echo Show when needed.